In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple ID not letting me change my password. If you find that Apple won't let you change your Apple ID password, don't worry. The issue often arises from an incorrect password, security restrictions, or account verification problems. Understanding these factors is essential to troubleshoot effectively. In this guide, we will walk through several steps to help you regain access to your account without any hassle. First, use a trusted Apple device that is already signed in to your Apple account. This could be an iPhone, iPad, or Mac that you regularly use. Begin by opening the Settings app, then tap on your name at the top of the menu. Next, navigate to Sign In and Security and select Change Password. You will be prompted to enter your device passcode here. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Apple recommends this method as it is both secure and straightforward. You can feel confident that this is the best way to change your password. Next, ensure that you are entering your current password correctly. Double-check for any typos or errors, as even a minor mistake can prevent you from moving forward. If you've forgotten your current password, you can reset it through Apple's recovery website. Simply visit the I Forgot website and follow the prompts. Keep in mind that Apple cannot reset your password for you, so this step is crucial if you're unable to recall it. If you have recently enabled stolen device protection, this may affect your ability to change your password. In such cases, be aware that you might need to wait up to an hour before making any changes to your password or other security settings. This waiting period is designed to protect your account. Once that time has passed, try the password change process again. It's an important step that ensures your account remains secure during this process. Now let's proceed to a simple yet effective solution: restarting your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This action can sometimes resolve temporary glitches that affect password changes. Some users have reported that their attempts to change passwords fail on the web but succeed when using the Settings app on their Apple device. Restarting your device can refresh its system and eliminate any minor issues. After the restart, go ahead and try changing your password again. It's a quick fix that often yields positive results. Next up, check if your device is running the latest version of iOS, iPadOS, or macOS. Outdated software can lead to various sign-in problems, including issues with changing your password. To check for updates, go to Settings, tap General, and then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your software up to date is vital for optimal performance and security. Once the update is complete, attempt to change your password again. You may find that the update resolves the issue. If you find that the Change Password button is grayed out or unavailable, it's essential to look into any screen time restrictions or device management settings that might be blocking account changes. These restrictions can interfere with your ability to change passwords. To check this, navigate to Settings, then Screen Time, and review any restrictions that may apply. Identifying and adjusting these settings is crucial to ensure you can proceed with changing your password. If you do not have access to any trusted device, there is still a solution. You can use a family member's Apple device along with the Apple Support app to reset your password. Apple provides a Help Someone Else option specifically for this purpose. This allows you to leverage the resources of someone you trust to regain access to your account. Reaching out for assistance can be a straightforward way to resolve the issue effectively. With these steps, you should be able to change your Apple ID password successfully. Remember, patience is key, and following these instructions will lead you to a solution.